It's well known that many file converters don't support converting video files to audio. If you are finding a competent app, Watermark Cloud is the go-to website you can never miss. This software supports many video and audio formats, ranging from popular ones to infrequent ones, and it's able to convert between any two of those formats. It's worth noting that the output audio file can sound as good as in the source video, so that you don't worry about any quality loss. Now we are redirected to Watermark's online video converter, and you can instantly get started. Now we want to upload our video, and as you can see on the bottom, it reports MP4, RMVB, MOV, WMV and FLV. So we're gonna add video file, like this. Select a video from your computer, and you can see, now the video is imported. Then we simply gonna click on Start to separate. And that's it. If you wanna download your audio to your device, simply click on Download. Feel free to try it out. But for now, that's how you convert video to MP3. Learn more about the product from the official website.